G'day guys, Lethal here from Roo Systems Australia. Just another day here. Obviously we've got some restrictions lifting, which is great news, but the thing for us is the level of inquiry has gone through the roof here at Roo Systems headquarters and our dealers across the nation. The amount of calls that we're getting about what can be done, how we can do it, all those things around what we can do to make sure that we're ready to go back out and play when it happens. In Roo at the moment we've got Pajeros getting rebuilt, suspension from the ground up. Old Rodeo, might be an old car, but it's a very tidy old car. We're doing bull bars on that. We've got some commercial vehicles in from our fleet departments here, 75 getting the build up. We've got 200 on the dyno. We've got car park full of cars, which is great to see, and it's great that the people are supporting the local businesses. So if you need something done, give the guys at Roo Systems a call. Give the guys at Roo Systems Australia Dealer Network a call, because every one of us are here to help you, to get you back, keep you safe and your family safe, and make sure that when you're back on the road and you're allowed to travel again, you're not going to be dramas with your car or your caravan or camper trailer. So guys, please stay safe. It's 50 k's from home this weekend. Hopefully we do the right things, and in a couple of weeks time we'll be able to go and play in those big precious parks like Fraser Island, etc. We can't wait to get back out to Scenic Rim Adventure Park, our home of four-wheel driving, with Wendy and the team out there. But guys, just stay safe, enjoy this weekend, and give us a call. We're here to help.